Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you mouse lagging and stuttering in Windows 11 or 10. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. Well, the first step would be to right-click here, Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, Mouse. And here, uncheck this box. Then again, right-click on the Windows icon, Run. And here we will write main CPL, enter, pointer options. And we will have to have this option deactivated. And finally, we will go to the search engine and type Device Manager. Click here, and we will select our mouse. Right-click on it, uninstall device, uninstall. Then we will have to restart the PC in this way. We will hold down the power button for more than 5 seconds. If the video served you, leave me a like and subscribe. Thank you.